A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. Today, on 1st September 2020, I am with one more lecture of subject maths for class 7. The chapter we are discussing is exponent and powers. It's question number 2 of exercise 13.2, which we are gonna to solve today. My dear students, this whole exercise is based on the laws of exponents, which I had already discussed with you. So आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप उन लॉज को जहन में रखें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो है दैट इज सिंप्लीफाई मैंने आपको बताया है. सिंप्लीफाई इज टू सॉल्व, किसी चीज़ को हल करना या आसान बनाना. ठीक है ना. जैसे आप देख रहे हैं पार्ट ए में हमारे पास एक एक्सपोनेंट है 2 रेज टू द पावर 3 होल रेज टू पावर 2 इंटू 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 होल रेज टू द पावर 3. 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 2 into 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 3. तो यहाँ पे इस वक्त जो बेस है दैट इज़ 2 upon 3. तो यहाँ पे पहला लॉ अप्लाई होता है दैट इज़ मल्टीप्लाइंग powers with the same base. So when bases are same, powers get is added. So this is 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 2 plus 3. तो इसका ऐड हो जाएगा. So this is 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 3 plus 2 5. तो अब इस 2 upon 3 को 5 times मल्टीप्लाई करना है. This is 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. So this is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 upon 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81 into 3, that's 243. Okay, so we have solved this. The value of this is 32 upon 243. This is simplification by using the laws. Then there is second part, minus 3 upon 4 whole raised to the power 4 divided by minus 3 upon 4 whole raised to the power 2. तो पहले लॉ में हमने सेम बेसिस का मल्टीप्लाई किया. अब यहाँ पे डिवाइड करना है. तो यहाँ पे बेस जो है हमारी दैट्स माइनस 3 अपॉन 4. तो इन पावर्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है दैट्स 4 माइनस 2. ये आपने पढ़ा है. दिस इज माइनस 3 अपॉन 4 होल रेज टू द पावर. 4 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 2 रहता है. दिस इज माइनस 3 अपॉन 4 इंटू माइनस 3 अपॉन 4, यानी 2 बार इनका मल्टीप्लाई करना है. प्यारे बच्चों, आपको याद होगा मैंने आपको बताया कि जब भी हम माइनस का इवन टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो पॉजिटिव बन जाता है. तो यहाँ पे 2 बार माइनस है. माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 3 3s are 9 upon 4 4s are 60. So the value of minus 3 upon 4 whole raised to the power 4 divided by minus 3 upon 4 whole raised to the power 2 is equal to 9 upon 16 by using second law of exponent. Okay. Then there is part C. Part C is minus 4 raised to the power 6 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8. यहाँ पे देखिए आप, यहाँ पे भी dividing powers with the same base, but यहाँ पे m जो है पहला पावर it's less than n. So when m is less than n, तो न्यूमरेटर में क्या आता है 1. So this is 1 upon base minus 4 है. minus 4 raised to power 8 minus 6, इनका सब्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा. This is 1 upon minus 4 raised to power 8 minus 6 is 2. This is equal to 1 upon minus 4 is multiplied 2 times with minus 4 with itself. So this is 1 upon this minus and minus, it becomes plus. 4 4s are 60. This is its simplification. Okay. इसके बाद पार्ट डी है. Dear students, part D is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. यहाँ पे एक और लॉ अप्लाई होता है, टेकिंग पावर ऑफ ए पावर, जो मैंने आपको बताया था. सो दिस इज, ये पावर 2 जो है ये 1 का भी है, इसका भी है. सो इट विल बिकम 1 रेज टू द पावर 2 अपॉन 2 रेज टू द पावर 3 होल रेज टू द पावर 2. So this is equal to 1 raised to the power 2 means 1 into 1 upon 2. This is, अगर आपको याद होगा, टेकिंग पावर ऑफ ए पावर, यानी अगर हमारे पास एक नॉन जीरो इंटीजर होता a रेज टू द पावर m होल रेज टू द पावर n, तो इन दो एक्सपोनेंट्स का मल्टीप्लाई होता है. सो दिस इज 3 into 2 दैट 6. ये मैंने आपके साथ ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया हुआ है. So 1 up into 1 is 1. 2 raised to the power 6 means 2 is to be multiplied 6 times with itself. Okay. So this is 1 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 into 2 that is 64. यानी जब भी हम 6 times 2 को multiply करते हैं it becomes 64. Okay. Dear students, then there is part E. This is 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. 2 raised to the power 3, इसको simplify करना है, आसान बनाना है. So 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 is multiplied 3 times with itself. 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times with itself. क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखिए आप, यहाँ पे कोई भी ना एक्सपोनेंट सेम है ना ये बेसिस सेम है, ठीक है ना. इंटू 4 अपॉन 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So this implies that 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 into 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81 into 4 upon 96. So this is 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64 into 4, यानी इसका और 81, 8 और 81 का मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया into 4 upon 96. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 4s are 16. So this is equal to 648 upon 24. अगर फर्दर हम इसको इसकी कसर काटेंगे तो कोई नंबर हमें हासिल होगा. सो फिलहाल आप याद रखें कि इसका वैल्यू जो है दिस इक्वल्स टू दिस 648 अपॉन 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 16s are 2 2 2s are, okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are. So this is equal to 27. So this is equal to 27. So the value of this is 27. That is 27. 27 के अगर हम factors देखेंगे, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So this is 3 into 3 into 3. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. So the value of this is 3 raised to the power 3. Okay. Then there is part F. 3 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 3. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 7 upon, bases are same. When we multiply two bases, two same bases, so this is one base, we will take one base and powers gets added. This is 4 plus 3. This is 3 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 7. Okay, this is 1. Or we can write down it as 3 raised to the power 0, because anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So we will write down this as 3 raised to the power 0 as well. So then there is G part. 2 raised to the power 8, a raised to the power 5 upon 4 raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 3. Okay, so we will write down this as 2 raised to the power 8, that's 2 into 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 2, okay, into a raised to the power 5 divided जो है a raised to the power 3, इसको हम ऊपर लेंगे, it will become a raised to the power -3 अपान, ये डिवाइड था, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ये पॉजिटिव था, नेगेटिव बनेगा, अपान 4 क्यूब, दैट्स 4 into 4 into 4. So this is equal to 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 2 are 32 into 64 into 128. So when we multiply 2 with a times, when we multiply 2a times, it becomes 256 into, यहाँ पे आप देखिए bases are same. So this is a powers gets added. This is 5 plus into -3 upon 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. So this is equal to 256 into a raised to the power 5 minus 3 upon 64. This is equal to 256 into a raised to the power 5 में से 3 निकालेंगे तो 2 upon 64. अब 256 और 64 का हम फ्रैक्शन देखेंगे. 4 6s are 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 16s are. So this is equal to 4 or a square, that's 4a square. Okay, then there is part h. Part h is 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 2. So this is 2 upon 3 taking power of a power, that's 4 into 2. This is 2 upon 3 whole raised to the power 4 2s are 8. So that is 2 upon 3 is multiplied 8 times. This 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3. So this is equal, when we multiply 2 with 8 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is 256 upon, when we multiply 3 3s are 9, 9s are 81, 3s are 9, 3s are 9, 9s are 81, that's 81 into 81. So this is 81 into 81, 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8s are 64, 1, it's 6561. Okay, my dear students, then there is part I. तो पार्ट आई जो है इसका मैं यहाँ पे आपको आंसर, एनीथिंग रेज टू द पावर 1, दैट्स 1 + 1 + 1. तो इनका ऐड करो, 1 + 1 2, 2 + 1 इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके, सिमिलरली पार्ट जे इज देयर. दिस इंप्लाइज दैट एनीथिंग रेज टू द पावर 1 into 1 into 1, ये लॉ है. 1 1s are 1, 1s are 1. So this is 1. Okay, with this your question 2 of exercise 13.2 gets completed. Note down these questions. Thank you very much.